42. Again, this is a nice question of quadratic equation. It says, let p and q be real numbers such that one of the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0 is the square of the other. Prove that p is less than equal to 1 by 4 and p cube minus 3pq plus q square plus q equal to 0. So p and q are real numbers. P, q belongs to set of real numbers, and one of the roots of the quadratic equation is the square of the other. It means let a and a square be the roots of quadratic x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Again, by Veta's formula, we can say a plus a square is equal to minus p. That is, it implies p is equal to minus of a plus a square. Again, we can also say a into a square, that is equal to q, that is c by a. So therefore, a cube is equal to q. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, what we are required to prove? We are required to say that p is less than equal to 1 by 4. So instead of saying this, can I say p as, if I assume minus a plus a square is less than 1 by 4, it means that is a square plus a plus 1 by 4 has to be greater than equal to 0. If this is true, it has to be greater than equal to 0. So either we can say this as a ka whole square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by 2 ka whole square, which is obviously a plus 1 by 2 ka whole square, and it is actually greater than equal to 0 for all a belonging to set of real numbers. Now this is proved. Next it says p cube minus 3pq plus q square plus q is equal to 0. So p cube minus 3pq plus q square plus q. So p cube means p का value is minus a plus a square and q का value is a cube. So minus a plus a का square का cube. So minus 1 का cube is minus 1. So again obviously there will be a minus sign here. Minus into minus will be plus 3 and this will be a plus a square, and that is again a cube plus q square is a to the power 6 and this is a cube. So what will be the value? A plus b का whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab 3a cube a plus a square, and there will be a negative sign for all. So obviously, and this is equal to 3a to the power 4 plus 3a to the power 5 plus a to the power 6 plus a cube. Now if I start subtracting, this will become minus a cube minus a to the power 6 minus 3a to the power 4 minus 3a to the power 5 plus 3a to the power 4 plus 3a to the power 5 plus a to the power 6 plus a cube, and obviously each of the terms will get cancelled from the next, and hence the answer is 0. Thank you.